Hello Karina and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some tips that you can actually use to improve your online presence and attract more customers. I will be covering websites, content, backlinks, and citations. So let's start here with the Google search because today um, we all consume services and products using the Google search, and so I came here and I type in what we know as value intent keyword, which is epoxy flooring company, for example, Dallas. And the first section that you will see here is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads, but this can be very expensive if it's not done correctly, and also some people just turn them off in their browsers. This section over here is driving between 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need first to have the Google Business Profile, then you need optimize and geotag pictures. You need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories. That's what we call citations. So directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those details in your Google Business Profile. They have to be an exact match so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. And then we have the Google Organic Search. And here is where I found these 2 companies, Dallas Epoxy Pros and Artisan Garage Floors, Epoxy Garage Flooring Contractor. So to rank here, you first need a website that is responsive, that is secure, and that has the relevant content, and then you need something that we call backlinks. So let's split this in 2. Let's talk about content. So let's go to this guy's website. Excuse me, this is the second company. The first one, Dallas Epoxy Pros. These guys have, well, very nice visuals. They have links over here to the different services that they provide. They have an intro of the company, and then different ways of contacting them. They have the contact us form at the bottom as well. Actually, there are a few things that this guy could do better. They could have a click to call button over here. They could have the contact us form right after the the initial picture, just to make it very easy for people to reach out to them, because we now use mobile phones when consulting these websites. And in terms of, let me have a look at how there are, for example, the images. Everything that you have on a website is considered content. So for example, this one, they are targeting specific keywords, so it looks like they are actually making good use of the images as well. Having a video is really good because it actually engages people and make people stay longer on a website, and that's a metric that Google looks into, so that can actually help them rank even higher in the Google organic search. Now, in terms of the amount of content, they currently have 821 words. Let's have a look at these guys. Artisan Garage Floors, they have this slider here, which is very, I like it because people can interact with it and they can see actually the before and after, the difference. That's something that you can do as well. And in terms of the amount of content, they currently have 358 words, so not much. To be optimized for Google, you actually want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. So none of these guys are optimized for Google. So that's something that can be easily, you can easily beat them out and outrank them if you were to actually choose to have a website. And the content is important because first, through content, Google is able to understand what the websites are about, and then people are able to push through more relevant value intent keywords, which we cover in the Google search. Now, let me go back to the Google organic search. Coming back to this section, they first need a website. We actually some of the characteristics of those websites. Then you need something that we call backlinks. So I had a look at these guys. And in these 2 areas, I can actually look at their profile, their backlink profile, and I can see that there are 1,000, they have 1,005 backlinks. And a backlink is nothing else than a link in an external website that is pointing or directing traffic towards, in this case, their website. So if I have a look at the other guys, Epoxy Artisan, these guys have a lot less, 667 in 87 referring domains. So this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that people are performing. So you not only want to pay attention to the quantity of backlinks, but also the quality of the backlinks, because you want those backlinks to be sitting on websites that are related to the services that you provide so that Google can verify. Google has means to verify this, but Google will give you extra points for those backlinks. Now, the other section is the organic keywords. So this website is being found for 530 organic keywords. And in here, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times these keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position this keyword or this website is appearing for this particular keyword. So I actually searched for Dallas, and you can see that epoxy floor in Dallas, there are 100 people searching for this per month. And because they're on the third position, they get an estimate traffic of 12 visits per month. Garage floor epoxy Dallas, search volume 90, they're on the first position, they get 11 visits. Epoxy garage floor in Dallas, 90 searches, stained concrete, epoxy Dallas, garage floor epoxy Dallas. Anyway, the message here is that you actually want to identify which ones are the keywords that have the highest search volume, because those are the ones that you want to include in the content of your website so that Google can find you for those. And then by building the backlink profile, you're going to be able to rank at the top of the Google organic search, outranking your competitors and getting a portion of this total traffic and this total volume of search, because it means that a percentage of those potential customers are going to end up in your website. Some of them are going to call you, and then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into customers. And that's how traffic translates into traffic and then into the growth of your company. And not only traffic, but your online presence. So I really hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information, and please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.